Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Lice are a type of pet exists on the skin or people hair. Lice grow on the blood of humans or animals in which they exists. It makes people become itchy and unhappy. Here in this video how to use tea tree oil for lice prevention and provides a guide for using it safely and efficiently. The main cause for the reproduction of lice is the unhealthy way of living in people. Right now there are many possibilities to get rid of and prevent lice on the skin or scalp. One of the best way many persons propagate is use tea tree oil for lice prevention. But some people still doubtful. To find out if this discussion is accurate or not, you will need to know first some basic things before using tea tree oil for lice. How to find out that you are being bitten by lice. When the lice assault you, you can realize these symptoms. Excessively itch. Feel as if some type of insect were gnawing you. Eruption. Scalp discomfort. You can see that lice is as big as a sesame seed. Why are somebody attacked by lice? There are a few causes below to make lice survive in someone's hair. People use the same hair comb, clothes or hat of somebody who has been bitten by lice. Lice can go from one person to another from the hair to the hair. Lice can come from mattresses, bedroom pillows or baby blankets used by people attacked by lice. Less bathing. Rarely wash clothes, blanket pillow sheets. How to use tea tree oil for lice on scalp. Preparation of tea tree oil and coconut oil for lice. Olive oil has the natural ability to eliminate insects. Then, you can mix it with olive oil to eliminate lice in the hair by doing this. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add couple of drops of tea tree oil and olive oil. Put this solution into your hands. Use the tips of your fingers to massage the scalp. Let it go from 30 to 60 minutes. After that rinse well with water. Wash your hair once again with vinegar to make sure you can overcome the lice. Follow all these steps day after day until finally you feel the lice leave your scalp. Combination of lavender and tea tree oil for lice or coconut oil and hair shampoo. First of all, you should prepare all of these ingredients with the quantity here. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or lavender oil, 3 tablespoons of hair shampoo, 5 to 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. After get all these things, mix well. Now apply the mixture on the skin of your head and hair. Then, cover your hair with a moist towel. Wait 1 hour. After 1 hour, comb your hair to remove all dead lice. Wash your hair with hair shampoo or conditioner. Make use tea tree oil to massage your scalp. This is the most effective approach to use tea tree oil for lice. Tea tree oil can perform all its functions to eliminate lice in the hair when it is used alone. In this way, you should follow these steps below. First, put a few drops of tea tree oil in your hand. Then, use the tips of your fingers to massage the skin of your head. After that, leave it overnight. Next morning, after waking, remove the dead lice by combing hair. Follow these steps 2 to 3 times a week to see the effectiveness of the tea tree oil and lice. Tea tree oil and spray bottle for your hair lice removal. Here are the steps you must follow to get rid of head lice. Fill more than half of the spray bottle with water. Now add 4 or 5 drops of tea tree oil in the spray bottle. Close the bottle, spray, shake well until the tea tree oil and water mix as one. Spray on the hair and moist your scalp skin. Now wait at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, comb your hair to remove all dead lice on your hair. Rinse thoroughly with water. Precautions. Although tea tree oil is very effective in removing lice, do not use tea tree oil if you are allergic to tea tree oil. If you are pregnant. Also, do not drink or take an overdose of tea tree oil, otherwise you will be poisoned. Tips on how to use tea tree oil to prevent lice are suitable for most people from young to old, from women to men. You can do it easily because all you need to do is mix the ingredients, apply to the hair, comb it and rinse it with water. The ingredients of these tips are well known, so you can get them easily.